What's the word, bro? This shit with a big homie. We back in this motherfucker with another one. It's Nahh. Get hip. Listen, man. I only got this motherfucker in. I got the Cannatrol in. People been asking about it. I've been seeing it. Definitely cost $1,800 for real. But hey, they say it dry and cure and it does its thing. It makes the dry and cure basically an 8-day process. You know what I'm saying? Or you can set it to do whatever you want to, supposedly. But we gonna see, we ain't gonna look too much. Like here it said, no, it's all right, everybody. Look, this says scan. God damn it, woman. This says scan for packing instructions. Shout out to my cameraman or camera person. You can ride this these days, baby. Us up. It's definitely not a met. Spoken doc, goddamn, I injected too many times. Nick up. Alright, swallow a little bit. Alright, okay. So what we gonna get to this, man? I seen it, I scanned it like it said, and they basically just made it a little more simple for you. So they say, boom, cool. They friendly on the side so you don't want to be too rough with it. We'll cut the straps. All the straps up out the way. And basically we just open the bottom up. That motherfucker ain't even put the flash on the nail. It's all good. It happens. It's my phone's half back. So open these up. Then it's about time to finish it. They say that this bitch can do with 2 people, but it's only 2 people here. Somebody gotta hold the camera. Well, there you go. Damn. About the size of a mini fridge. Alright. Then they say, you lift it out the bottom. They say you gotta lift it out the bottom. The thing is to unbox them. You see, you can pause the video and read. Here go the instruction manual. Or what I assume is the instruction manual, since it ain't saying it. This seems to be the top display they telling me that I need to put on top. Come with a little shuttle. It come with 2 keys. Well, yeah, was that 2 keys? Yeah, 2 keys, a plastic one and a metal. A water cup. And a water tray for the back. I do not know what that is. Look like a little rust or something, but paint. I don't really know, but yep, that's what you get, man.